Freddy, please. I just want a hug. Can we just hug it out? Just like old times. No, Freddy. Oh, God. Bobby heads. Bobby heads. Freddy, what did I do to you? When is it going to be 6 a.m.? When is it going to be 6 a.m.? I don't know. It's been 2 minutes. I got this. 2 minutes. Come on. No. Oh, no. Freddy. Freddy. Oh, God. Please don't do that. Wait, where'd he go? God, he's over there. Ah! Oh, oh God.